Welcome back to my channel. Marathi brides have unmatched beauty. There is something about their vibrant Nawari sarees, Maharashtrian knots and their dazzling mundalware designs that just adds to their charm. To carry the gorgeous Marathi bridal attire and jewelry, one also needs an equally stunning hairstyle. So here are some of the most beautiful Marathi bridal hairstyles. Marathi bridal braid hairstyles. Braids look so cute on Marathi brides, be it a regular braid add-on with accessories or a bubble braids beautified by real flowers. There are just so many beautiful ways to wear a braid of your bridal hairstyle. The picture have some of the most memorizing bridal braids that we could find. Enjoy ravishing hairstyle for Marathi brides. Ambara hairstyle designed for Marathi brides. Ambara hairstyle have always been a classic with Marathi bridal looks. With time, Marathi bridal buns or Ambara hairstyles have only gotten prettier. From flowers to jewels, Marathi brides are seen with the most beautifully accessorized bun. The pictures have a variety of elaborate and simpler bridal buns. Open hairstyle ideas for Marathi Mulgi. The open hairdo on Marathi brides look so effortlessly pretty. They bring out your natural beauty and are pretty easy to carry as well. These real brides are the perfect example of how you can go for an open hairstyle on your big day and look absolutely memorizing in it. So go ahead and pick one because it will suit you.